proof of quadratic formula, which is x which is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of delta over 2a. Let's take the quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c which is equal to 0. Then follow here. Let's divide on both sides by ax square over a plus b over ax plus c over a which is equal to 0 over a. Then after, you can simplify by a, I get x square plus b over ax plus c over a which is equal to 0. By completing the square, x square plus b over ax, I add plus the half of this squared, b over 2a square. Then I subtract also this b over 2a square, then plus c over a which is equal to 0. Then in this case, here I have to move this and this on the right side. There I have x square plus b over ax plus b square over 4a square, this one, which is equal to, I take this to the right side, it becomes b square over 4a square minus this c over a. Then here, by completing the square factorization, I get x plus the square root of this. This is b over 2a square, which is equal to, I put on the same denominator. Here you have 4a square. 4a square divided by 4a squared is 1. 1 times b square equal to b square. Minus 4a square divided by a, it becomes 4a times c becomes 4ac. Then I have to find x plus b over 2a, which is equal to the plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac all over 4a square. Then after, here I have to find the value of x. X will be equal to, I take this on the right side, I have negative, it becomes negative b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac all over the square root of 4a square, it is 2a. Here you have 2a. This is the denominator, the same denominator. I have to write over 2a. This is negative b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac. Then this square root of b square minus 4ac, it becomes the square root of delta, then delta, it becomes b square minus 4ac. Here, from our equation, we have a, b, and c. These are constants. Then x becomes negative b plus or minus the square root of delta over 2a. This formula is used to find the root of the quadratic equation, where when this discriminant is greater than 0, we have two distinct roots, and if discriminant is equal to 0, we have only one root, because here we will have negative or minus, it becomes 0, then it becomes negative b over 2a. Then when this discriminant is less than 0, it means that is negative. It means there is no real root. no real roots. So that's it.